Exercise 39. Below, we can see the graph of the function f. Which of the following statements is right? Okay, let's see. F of 4 is f of 0. F of 4 is here. F of 4 means value of f when x is 4. So I'm going at the graph and I can see here that f of 4 is equal to 1. F of 0 similarly means the value of f when x is 0. So when x is 0, we are here. F of 0 is also 1. So the first one is correct. F of 2 is negative 3. Yes, because we can see it here, that the graph passes through the point 2 comma negative 3, which means that when x is 2, the y is negative 3. So this is also right. F has only one 0. The zeros are the x-intercepts. This is wrong. We can clearly see that it has two x-intercepts. This is one x-intercept, or this is 1, 0, and this is a second one. So it does not have only 1, 0, which means that only the first and the second are correct. So this makes C the right answer for this question.